Hi guys, I need to show you here after they put building pad to grade. You can see all that dirt almost level, that's to grade. And then they digged for foundation and they poured concrete with dowels. Okay, dowels, so you can see the pink paint, that's dowels, you know. So at the opening dowels, so there's a pink. Okay, and here you can see expansion joint started above the slab, go all the way up. Okay, and you can see here there's a plate on elevation, so they set the steel bar joist on it, and you can see there's an angle like 4 inches times 4 inches on the perimeter. Same thing over there, there's a plate. Okay, and here they welded, there's structural details. Here they welded the support at the center. You can see the angle here. Okay, they fastened to the wall. Okay, there's an angle here and there. Okay, here and there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, at the beginning and the end only at the bottom, but here there's at the bottom and at the top all the way. That's their structural drawing. And then they set the corrugated metal roof decking, so that's the decking they put it. And then they figure out the location for the RTU. So here there's a RTU. We have 4, so here you can see there is support. Okay, there's 1 here, and there's a 3 here. You can see that's another one, and over there that's another one. And okay, there's some, that's 1 here small, and some opening for exhaust fan. Roof penetration here for vent. Okay, roof penetration. Same thing over there. And then here you can see they did the block opening for windows. Here you can see plumber. The plumber, he finished his work, passed inspection, carpet. Okay, same thing, the electrician, he finished his work, roughen slab and pass inspection. Okay, you can see conduit step up here, because here will be like mechanical room, and that's the water line running through sleeve. Water line running through sleeve. Okay, you can see conduit, electrical conduit. Here the electrician, he did like core drill, so he run the electrical conduit, and that poor solid, no need to put sleeve. Okay guys, so you can see here there's the details about structural, how they support that structural, that angle for the HVAC unit or the RTU. You can see that piece and that piece that's supported. You can see 2 pieces here and 2 pieces there. Okay, and I have guys working at the top of the roof to do the RTU, and here we are working to do metal stud framing with the blocking. You can see metal stud, that's heavy gauge 14, metal stud on 16 inches on center, and here set above block. Here we will lay more block, pour solid, and we'll put like a screw with the epoxy. Here you can see the plate. There's a piece of like Teflon, you know, they put it above the plate. You can see that's the best way to do it. And here you can see there's a support, each 2 foot on center. You can see support, angle, gauge 14, gauge 2 foot on center. You can see that's everywhere. Okay, and here the mason, he will come to fill in block here, to fill that I-beam outside and inside. He will fill it in. Okay, and then we started to do blocking. You know, we have a blocking here, blocking there. That's for canopy, and then we put insulation to the top of the roof, and then Dingy glass everywhere, blocking here for the signage, fire rated. And at the top of the wall we'll do 2x12 like blocking, and here I did the blocking all the way, not to stick out 2 inches because we have EFS system, 2 inches thick. So I purchased 2x10 pressure treated, so the wall is 8 inches and stick out 2 inches. That's 10 inches. But here I purchased 2x12 because details should be stick out 6, 5, 8. Okay guys, and we are working here to do blocking for the second row, you know, blocking for the canopy. The measurement, my measurement 9 foot 10 to the bottom, and then 2 foot 10 to other bottom of 2x12. So I have two courses of blocking 2x12, and here you can see TPO roof control inside. At the top of the roof we are doing TPO for roofing, and you can see this glass, block wall. Going this way, we have guys working to cut for blocking. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and later we'll do downproofing here for the block before the EFS. And here we'll put insulation and cover it with Dingy glass after we put the blocking 3/4 fire rated, and then we'll do air barrier for Dingy glass and downproofing for block. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.